Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, good afternoon. It is 12 o'clock, a little bit after 12 o'clock. Of course, I just woke up from, yeah. Went to bed about 8 o'clock this morning from work. I'm working on some TikToks. And, yeah, so it's one of those days again. My mom came in yesterday from New York, and I had to go get her, and her flight was at 9:30, so got off at 6. Stayed up, watched my little one on the computer do his Zoom, and then I went to go pick my mother up. Made a few stops, dropped her off to my sister's house, so I didn't get to bed yesterday until like minutes to 1, and I had to go to work for 5:45. So yeah, sister girl right here didn't get much sleep. I said that in my last one. So today is Saturday. Woke up a little extra early. Didn't want to sleep the whole day away because I want to hang out with my mom. My boys went to go get my daughter, and I'm trying to schedule an appointment for my son to get the little one to get his haircut. Yeah, trying to get that dude. Has been like hell. Went to New York last month. He overslept. I could understand. So I had somebody else cut his hair. So, but other than that, it is Saturday. Hey. Yeah. Anyway, got some stuff to do today. Not really stuff, but go hang out with my mom. Then my aunt, she's also coming in from Indiana. So yeah, what's going on is my mother usually come down here at least 2-3 times a year. But she got a real cheap flight with JetBlue, you know what I'm saying? One of them like $32 special kind of thing. So yeah, sorry if I did that. I thought that, the camera was kind of blurred. But yeah, so she decided to jump on that. She'll be back again for Thanksgiving and whatnot. This is actually her last year of work. She's about to retire and come down this way with us, because in this city it's only me, my sister, and my children. That's it. We don't have any other family members here. That's it. When I picked this city, my sister came, she followed, and it's just us. So here you go. And then my aunt, she's also planning on buying a house here. So that's what's going on. I ain't gonna say she's planning on to. She's buying a house here. She hasn't found the right one, so she'll be here within a year too. So here you go, auntie, my mama. Oh yeah. So we're about to have some company in the city, and we've been in the city for 15 years. Mind you, we left New York. I left New York and came here. So yeah, and this is complete opposite of New York. Like I mean, from a scale to 0 to 100, I just went left. Whatever. Yeah. So but anyways, so yeah, I'll be doing a little bit of that. So whatever, errands, runs, this and that, the third. Oh, Deshaun, he done went back into his room. And of course, it's still kind of gloomy here. Yeah. But that's, I guess, September, It's warm, but it's still kind of gloomy. No rain for today, but it's alright, I guess. I don't care. And I finally got 3 days off. That's 4. 3 days off. Since I went to New York last month, I only had I had a 7-day. I had 7 days off, and since I've been back, I've been working with 2 days off. Usually my weekends are Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but yeah, your girl has been working on a Sunday on overtime and stuff like that. But I finally got 3 days off. 3, not 4. 3. I wish it was 4. 3. But yeah. All right. Hey y'all, look who dropped by. What's up, y'all? You see your girl with the lashes? You see me? Cool. Period. With the baby hairs. And look at my son back there. Look at my other son back there. Look, we got a whole house.
You know the vibes.
You know, gang, you know what I'm saying? Whatever, you know. I swear.
Oh, you take a call?
I really felt like, you know, unsafe for there for a minute. I really did.
How you doing? How you doing?
That's my son. You see, you know. She going to get her shirt, and then here go the little one.
Can Arthur come here?
They went to her birthday party.
Oh.
So we gonna I'm gonna try and see if I can go in. Patrice come back, go take you to go get your hair cut, and go over to Granny house, go over to Auntie Kristen's house. So they went to her birthday party. So you'll probably see them tomorrow, or probably later, depending upon how long we stay at Granny house and the party finish. Okay? He asked about his nephews.
Is he and Arthur there?
They had a birthday party. When they finish with the birthday party, we might be able to see him. If not, we're gonna see him tomorrow. He's all about his nephews, my daughter, my grandsons. One is RJ, one is CJ. CJ is 9. Excuse me, CJ is 8 and RJ is 6. Yeah, they are like peas in a pod. Okay, you see one, you see them all. Period. Then you'll get to see AJ. Yeah, another A. J. So, yeah. All right. Hey, y'all. I'm on my way. She's doing camera duties because, like I said, I got to get me a stand for my car, for my camera. So, you know, we heading to the barbershop to get... the little one haircut. Look, I can't even speak. His haircut. Cause you know, you give her a camera and it's like it's all about her.
What are you doing? She said I'm on camera duty. So what I'm doing, I am taking duties of being the camera woman, which will be placed on me. You know? I was looking at how that's still doing. Oh my god. Ooh, they go to like I'm so hungry, Mom.
Well, I'm gonna stop and get something from McDonald's real quick.
You know what? This is gonna be funny because my mom and we're going to my mom's sister house, my aunt, and my grandma, she gonna be there with her sister. Y'all know how sisters get. I'm glad I'm the only child, cause listen, me and my sister would have been in the same boat. She wouldn't like me. My brother don't like me. Nah, he loves me. Don't even dare say that. He loves me. I mean, not saying like don't like. I'm just saying like, you know, there's always somebody to pick at.
You know how the siblings do. That's how siblings do. But you know, me and my sister, we tight. You know what I'm saying? But we okay. We all right. You know, everybody just have their own style and their own, you know, personality. So, you know, that's just, you know, that.
Because I know I got a few. I got a few. Alright. I had a Red Bull, a 12 ounce. So, I'm lit right now. A little bit
too much. That's the whole problem.
Red Bulls is my best friend. That's how I'm getting somewhere in life. Because if I was to not drink no energy drinks or anything of that nature, yeah, I'll be in my bed, not doing nothing. Yeah. That's why I had the energy to do my homework today. Because I knew I would have been out.
Where they going? They're probably going down there and look at the property down there.
I'm so hungry. Alright, we back. I'm just playing. Pulling up to Auntie house or whatever. We just left from Rose getting a haircut. Ain't that right? Looking fresh or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we about to see how the aunties been doing and the sissies. Say something for the.
Hey y'all, just when it got.
Just when it got.
I know. I don't know what happened, but we just went and got the little one his haircut. Hey, Deshaun. He's a hot mess. Yeah, so we're now pulling up here. Oh, geez, took a little minute to get over here because we had so much going on, but we going in here and say hi to everybody.
All right, love, peace, and hair grease, y'all. Peace out. Peace.
Well, we have a sister house. You know, we getting. No, hold on. Where's your glass? No, you don't do that. Where's your glass?
Yeah,
Get your little show. Yeah, where's your glass? No.
Drop the boat.
Hold on.
I'm not sure, but it's not in my own.
Boy, you put that sip.
Honestly simple.
Patrice said you ain't do it right. You gotta do it again.
Hey, that was a sip.
So
You need like a goat.
Or fix
You
him
know,
a shot then.
he need a shot. You know what I'm saying? You need a shot.
Oh.
He think he got, you know, he think he got it with it made to, you know what I'm saying, take the shots. You know, this one right here, that's the shot
They
right
ain't
there.
saved me no shot.
No,
Where's my shot? Where's the shot? Yeah, Patrice,
Where's the
give me
shot?
a shot glass.
In other words, when you get up next morning, let me jam.
There you go.
shot. No, don't give him no more, cause he can't handle that.
Why you
He
can't?
can't handle that. He can't handle that. He can't handle that.
He took some.
He took something. No, he can't handle
This is
that.
Big Son.
He can't handle that. I'm telling you, he can't handle that. Go ahead.
Give him
Go
that.
ahead.
And y'all give me the glass like drink a little bit.
Yeah.
Hear my mother.
Okay, we
Listen
gonna
to
need
my
another
mother.
bottle.
Okay, listen to my mother. She want a little bit. Hold on, ma.
Yeah. Wait.
Look at my mama. Mama taking shots.
You didn't finish that liquor I brought you from Barbados?
Yes, ma. Yes.
Did that with no issue.
Yes. These are all.
Slammed it so fast. I missed it.
Y'all know mommy is a drinker.
Slammed it. Okay.
Okay,
back
all right. We going back. We swinging it back. Go ahead.
I'm on the channel with the soup.
This is my. That's fine. That's fine, girl. It's a vlog. It's fine, girl. It's fine. It's all good. You know, we got the Caribbean house going right now. Go ahead. My son taking it. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
Boom! Yes! Yes, my son!
That's how
Yes!
you're supposed to do it.
Yes!
It's supposed to make you do that.
Yes! Yes! It's a family of drinkers, okay? Yes, we throwing it back.
It's supposed to make you cringe.
Yeah, cringe, exactly. Make you feel that burn, don't you? Okay. Yeah. That's exactly. Yep. What you going with, the dry wine? Look, I'm shitting it with the dry wine. At least that's my mom and my auntie says dry wine.
Dry? It ain't tasting like that?
I don't know. I ain't tasted wine yet. Then she got this dry.
Why that tastes like bitters?
Ma, Chris, she said it tastes like bitters.
Bitters with alcohol.
The wine.
Ma, taste it. I'm for real.
I am. Oh,
See?
why it tastes like that?
Exactly. Uh-huh.
Oh, what kind of wine is that? Oh, yeah. No, we gonna stick to the Henny and the tequila.
Tequila.
It's right there. I was time to drink my soup.
I told you we should have stopped at the liquor store. We could have got some Bailey's. You know, that's my favorite drink.
Well, remember we doing the crowd, the thing. Well, we'll see. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. See, we got macaroni, wings, and where's my soup? Where's my soup? Oh, and this all.
But I see you drink a glass, Miguel?
Yeah, I done take me shot. I'm gonna take me another shot of tequila after the soup here.
Oh.
And then we got, this is soup. It has cassava, it has potato, it has cow foot, you know. This is that kind of Caribbean stuff, you know. Whoever's Caribbean know about this kind of cooking. Yeah, so this kind of stuff that we do. Family get together, share Caribbean foods. Anyway, we'll come back. back inside the house. And had me a few shots of Henny and whatnot. But we had a blast. We had a good old time. We had a great time, right? We had a good time, Deshaun, at Kristen house, Auntie Kristen house, my sister's house. You had fun? Okay, yeah, we had a good time. Whew. And this is my outfit for the day. You know, some, top. I like the back of this. It has like can't really see it. But anyways, cute little crop top and some leggings and my Gucci slides. So yeah. But anyway, I'm about to wash my hair. Well, take my wig off, wash my hair. My hair hasn't been washed in like over a month and a braid down, so I'm gonna do that, get the little one something to eat, do that, take me a shower, and I'll come back. So I'll see you guys in a few. So, but anyway, like I said, guys, it was a good Saturday. It was fun. It was great. We drank, we ate. Oh yeah, so we had a fun-filled day. Tomorrow is another day, so stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.